Oh my gosh, look at this. I want someone to write comments on my video. I don't know. Yeah, look at this. My comments are turned off. And I think I know who did this. It was the COPPA update. The COPPA update is trying to turn off my comments. I want someone to write comments on my videos. Really, the COPPA update? Why did you turn off my comments? See this? The COPPA update has turned off my comments. Really, COPPA? Really, the COPPA update? Yeah, I know who turned off my comments. It was the COPPA update. I want someone to write comments on my videos. And then the COPPA update just turned off the comment. See? He turned off the comment on this musical Easter duck video. See this? The COPPA update just turned off my comment. Alright. And look at this, guys. The COPPA update also turned off my comment on this musical sheep piggy bank. I want someone to write comments on my video. We need to stop COPPA from doing that. So COPPA needs to stop turning off my comments. I want someone to write comments on my videos. See? Look, the comments are also turned off on this video as well. It's the musical cat toy light is fixed. Look, the COPPA update also turned off my comment. Look at this. And then COPPA update did try YouTube Kids. Why did COPPA do that? Really, COPPA? Really, the COPPA update? Why did you turn off my comments? I want someone to write comments on my video. We need to stop COPPA from doing that. Did COPPA turn off my comments on this one? I don't think so. Oh my gosh, I didn't see any comments. And look, COPPA also turned off the comment on this TL Toys musical Seal video. Look, COPPA also did that. We need to stop COPPA from turning off my comments. Gaming Master also made a video about the COPPA update. Look, he also made a video about, Gaming Master also made a video about the COPPA is taking over YouTube. And Gaming Master also did a message to COPPA. I also wrote a comment. It says COPPA needs to stop that.
Stop restricting my comments. My content is not made for kids. I want my fans to be able to comment on my videos, so stop restricting my comments.
Really, COPPA? Why are you restricting Gaming Master's comments? Why did you do that, COPPA? COPPA needs to stop restricting Gaming Master's comments. Really, COPPA? Really, the COPPA update? See? He also made a video Gaming Master also made a video about COPPA is taking over YouTube.
Are very
COPPA needs to stop that. So the COPPA update needs to stop restricting Gaming Master's comments. See? So this is why COPPA turned off my comments. Look, COPPA also turned off my comments on this Canine Kerner singing dog video. So the COPPA update, if you're watching this, you need to stop restricting Gaming Master's comments. And you need to stop turning off my comments. And look at what COPPA also did. Yeah, COPPA needs to stop that. COPPA needs to stop turning off my comments and restricting Gaming Master's videos. Or I mean restricting Gaming Master's comments. Yeah, so COPPA needs to stop turning off my comments and COPPA needs to stop restricting Gaming Master's comments. I want someone to comment on my videos. We need to stop COPPA from doing that. Yeah, COPPA is taking over YouTube. So that means, see, the COPPA update is taking over YouTube. Why does COPPA do that? COPPA needs to stop turning off my comments. Yeah, so I'm just making a video for you guys about what happened to the COPPA update from turning off my comments, and the COPPA update is taking over YouTube. Alright, so goodbye guys, and have a great day.